KW Physics, I'm Mr. McConley, and today we're going to do a demonstration, a light demonstration. And what I have here is a spinning color wheel. So you can see that I can turn it on, or I can turn it off. And it has a variety of colors right here. And what I'm going to show you right now is that once we get it spinning, like this, I can take a piece of paper and you can hear that, you know, it's spinning. Now I'm gonna show you that now, because later on when you see it again, you're gonna believe that it's not spinning anymore. And I'm gonna prove to you that it's spinning because I'll take a piece of paper and touch it. Okay? So at this point we're gonna turn off the lights. We're gonna turn on a stroboscope. Until what you see you visually see that this is not spinning anymore, or you believe that you see it's not spinning. But to prove it, you get the paper and stick it up. There we go. It is definitely spinning. And this light is blinking at 988 times per minute. And now I can crank this up, though, and start to see some weird things. So we'll leave it like, let me go a little bit. Okay. I want you to really focus in on a few different things. First of all, you're starting to get weird colors that didn't exist on the first, when it stopped. And then notice this set of dots right there. They are slowly spinning counterclockwise. Notice those set of dots are quickly spinning clockwise. Now you know that can't be happening. Okay? So something about this is visually fooling you. If I crank the speed up even further, I can get this thing to appear to stop in the middle, but with these weird greens and almost a pink there, none of those colors appeared on the original color wheel. Okay, you also notice that some of the dots have stopped moving, while other ones are quickly spinning left to right. If I crank it up even further, you can start to see things that don't even make sense. Now, one of the ways to help your brain see this correctly is to look at it and look away real quick. If you look at it and look away real quick, or cover your eyes and uncover your eyes in a quick manner, you will start to see the original colors. Can anyone see it for just like just a millisecond? You're going to see the correct things on there. Okay. Turn this back down. At this point, I'm going to have the lights come back on, and we're going to talk about this. You see, it is spinning. Okay? So, what's going on here? What's going on is that this strobe light is allowing you to see it, and then the light turns off, and you don't see it. See it, and don't see it. So let's take an easy example. Say the yellow was right here. The light turns on. You see the colors like this. Now, if when the light is off, this thing goes and spins, and then the light turns back on, what do you see? The same thing. Light turns off, light turns on. In your mind, all you're seeing is this. It's standing still. But in actuality, this thing is spinning quite quickly. You just happen to be seeing the same thing every time the light turns on. Now, when that starts to get weird, when you start to get these weird combinations, is when you see this, light turns off, and then light turns on and you see this. And when those things start to become very close together, because your brain has a processing rate. You can only process images at a certain rate. Do you know what that rate is? Well, it's somewhere around 24 frames per second, because that's what the movies use. When you go watch a movie, when you go to the screen and watch a movie, is actually images, boom, 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 projected one at a time in very close proximity to each other. And your brain just kind of rolls them together. So when you start to put things closer than 1/24 of a second together, your brain starts to roll them together, and it says, what is yellow mixed with blue? And it comes up with this new color, okay? Because your brain just overlays the two because it can't process it quick enough. And so then you start to get these weird patterns because your brain is seeing these dots, and then it's seeing these dots, but it's seeing them again, and your brain is saying, well, those are moving counterclockwise and those are moving clockwise, when in actuality, that's not at all what is happening, okay? And this happens with the, computers have a refresh rate, how quickly the screen refreshes itself. And if you take a video camera and film a computer screen, sometimes you can start to see lines in the screen. It's for the same reason, because the refresh rate is not matching, or the processing rate is not matching. So for today, we've seen some light demonstrations, physics.